lagi.
Chief Secretary ba DP Walang ulapan pau ya ke Jingsngo ba ke Jingeh ha ke Skulbah North Eastern Hill University Shen kan sekutno. Ulapan pau ba unsai kendu ya Secretary ka tenat pulih putih jong ka Sarkar Pedeng ha ka khatlai tarik ukela lengkot ban ya keren halor ke Jingeh bat ke Jing ai jingmut ban Pynbeit ya ke ni ke kam. Uba walang ulaong ba ka komiti badon arngut kidkhot kala dep pha ya ka kaipot sya ka tenat watla ka Sarkar jilla kam don jingtip halor kirai bala shim. Ula banjur ba ka Nehu kam dei ka Skulbah jong ka jilla ka jingtmu bokongsan jong ka Sarkar ka long ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan bat ban yada na kinu ki jingpentut ya ka jingpha jong ki samla pule.
But as far as the affairs of the university is concerned, it's a central university. We'll have to be very cautious. It's not a state university. We cannot take any decision on behalf of Nehu. I'm in touch with the Additional Secretary, Government of India, as well as the Secretary. In fact, I'll be meeting the Secretary on Monday, the 13th of January, to give him a brief of what has happened, because he just joined as the Secretary of Higher Education. I'll be meeting him and also advising him what needs to be done for Nehu. And I hope that we should see a breakthrough soon.
Ka Sarkar